In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Slack app on Android. If you work with a team, Slack makes it easy to stay in touch, organize conversations, and keep projects moving. I'll walk you through getting the app from the official Google Play Store, opening it for the first time, and signing in so you're ready to go. Before we start, a quick note. Slack currently works best on Android 10 and newer. For the smoothest experience and the latest security updates, keep your device up to date. And for safety, only install apps from the official Google Play Store. Let's begin. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store, the app with the multicolored triangle icon. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar, then type Slack. You should see it appear in the results. Choose the official listing named Slack by Slack. Picking the official app ensures you get reliable updates and built-in security. Next, tap Install. The Play Store will download and install the app automatically. Depending on your connection, this can take a minute or two. If you're on mobile data and want a faster download, switching to Wi-Fi can help. You don't need to do anything else here. Just wait until the Install button changes and an Open button appears. When you see Open, tap it to launch Slack. The first time you open the app, you'll be prompted to sign into your workspace or create an account. If your company or group already uses Slack, sign in with your work email or the method your organization provides. If you're brand new to Slack, choose the option to create an account and follow the on-screen prompts. In either case, Slack will guide you through the basics as soon as you're in. Once you're signed in, you can start chatting with teams and coworkers, join channels and workspaces to keep conversations organized, make voice and video calls when typing isn't enough, and share files and documents right in the app. You can also connect helpful tools like Google Drive, Zoom, and Asana to bring your work into one place. That's it. Your Slack app is ready on Android. Remember, keeping your phone's software current and installing only from the Google Play Store are the best ways to stay secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying connected with Slack wherever you go.